Are you trying to decide between Akiflow and Sunsama in 2025? Both are powerful productivity apps, but they take very different approaches to helping you manage your time. In this video, I'll break down their features, pros, cons, and pricing. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one is best for your workflow. And for now, let's get into it. Overview. First, a quick overview. Akiflow is designed around speed, task capture, and integrations. It's like a productivity command center, helping you quickly pull in tasks from multiple apps and structure them in a time-blocked calendar. Sunsama, on the other hand, is built around mindfulness and daily planning. It encourages you to plan your day intentionally, set realistic goals, and avoid overcommitting. So while Akiflow feels more like a power tool, Sunsama feels like a digital daily planner with a focus on balance, ease of use, and design. When it comes to usability, Sunsama has a minimalist, calming design. Its daily workflow walks you step by step, reviewing tasks, planning your day, and reflecting. Great for people who want structure. Akiflow is faster and a bit more technical. It has a universal inbox where tasks flow in from apps like Slack, Gmail, Asana, and more. You can then drag and drop tasks into your calendar instantly. If you like guided routines, Sunsama wins. If you want speed and efficiency, Akiflow takes the edge. Features and integrations. Now features. Akiflow integrates with tons of apps, Todoist, Notion, Gmail, Slack, Trello, Asana, and more. It's built for people who need to consolidate tasks from multiple tools into one calendar. Time blocking and notifications are central to the experience. Sunsama also integrates with tools like Asana, Trello, Todoist, Gmail, and Outlook. But instead of pushing to cram everything in, it asks you to set a realistic workload for the day. It's about sustainability, not just productivity. In short, Akiflow equals speed and consolidation. Sunsama equals focus and mindful planning. Pricing. Akiflow costs around $19 per month or cheaper if billed annually. Sunsama is slightly more expensive at $20 per month. Neither has a free forever plan, but both offer free trials. It really comes down to whether you want the fastest workflow or the most mindful planning system. Pros and cons. Now let's break down the Akiflow pros. Extremely fast task capture, powerful integrations, great for calendar and time blocking lovers. Akiflow cons. Can feel overwhelming if you prefer a slower pace, more technical learning curve. Sunsama pros. Calm, structured daily workflow, encourages realistic planning and reflection, and also great for avoiding burnout. Sunsama cons. Less focused on speed, pricier for those who just need a basic planner. Final verdict. So which one is best in 2025? If you are a power user juggling tons of tasks and apps, Akiflow is probably the better choice. It's lightning fast and built for efficiency. But if you want a balanced, mindful approach to planning your days and avoiding burnout, Sunsama is the clear winner. At the end of the day, both are excellent. It just depends on whether you value speed or mindfulness. Which one would you choose, Akiflow or Sunsama? Let me know down below in the comments. And for now, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.